Hey y'all, it's Kristen Dawn. I didn't make an intro to this video because I decided to separate this video from my previous video, which is how I actually got this wash and go. So if you guys would like to see that, go look at my last video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to diffuse, stretch, fluff, and pick out your natural hair. So I diffuse slightly different than other naturals. I actually never touch the diffuser piece to my actual hair. I hold the diffuser a few inches away from my hair and just let the air blow on my hair. Also, I am using high speed and the hottest setting that my blow dryer will go. So I flip my hair around, I move my hair around, but I never ever actually touch the diffuser to my hair. Because if I was to diffuse my hair like other naturals normally do, my hair will turn into a matted, frizzy, just mess, and it'll look horrible. So this is the way I came up with. I don't know if other naturals use it, but this is what I do, and that's me shaking out my hair, making sure it doesn't dry super flat to my head and all of that. Okay, these are my results just from diffusing. So before I fluff my hair, I actually like to stretch it first, and also I'm still using the high settings and the highest heat my blow dryer will go. And it's kind of easy for me to stretch my hair because I know I just want to stretch the black parts of my hair. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm just tugging at my hair, not super hard or anything, but I'm just tugging at my hair lightly and blow drying it. Now right here I am touching the blow dryer to my natural hair. Also, I only stretch the bottom parts of my hair because my hair is already a slightly looser texture. So if I was to stretch the top part of my hair, people would be able to see it and it would look weird that some of it's straight and then it's curled at the end. So I just don't even bother stretching the top part of my hair. And here I'm just playing with my hair, fluffing it out to my liking, messing around with it, see what I want to do with it. And I stretch a certain way, like I only stretch the black part of my hair because I still want to keep the definition. And this is me breaking. I didn't use gel in my hair, but my hair was kind of hard, so I'm gonna still call it a gel cast. So this was me breaking the gel cast. And I also don't break the gel cast at the very top of my hair where the shorter pieces are. I just kind of leave it. And this is me shaking out my hair for more volume, and so it's not so stuck to my head. But I also don't want to do too much considering it is first day hair. So I pick it out a little, I fluff it out a little, I shake it around a little, but not too much, only because I don't want to lose my definition on the very first day. And this is me picking out my roots. I never ever go down the length of my hair. I only pick out my roots. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, definition. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching.